Okay guys, we are in the new Monkey Mischief update. The snow update. Check out the new cosmetics. I actually haven't checked out the harvesting up. We're definitely going to do that throughout this video, right after we check out what the map has to offer us. Already I can notice a cabin and whatever that is, and that big wall. Okay guys, I'm only just noticing this. What the hell is this? They should probably fix that. I don't know if that's a bug or not, but it's kind of cool as well. Now, what the hell? No, I can't. That was actually very cool. How did I not notice that? That was in front of my face. So guys, I did want to check this out in multiplayer, but unfortunately, my brother and my friend. This is very cozy. Very advanced. No. This is so cozy. Summer is over, winter can begin. Check out this little cabin as well. This looks very cool. Okay, it's empty. This little cabin, very cool. What else is there to offer? There's that slide. I think we should go up there. Yeah, let's go up there. Ow, my finger, that really hurt. Okay, what do we have here? Is there like a hole in there? I don't think so. It might be. No, so I have to wall run up there. Guys, if I mess my wall run, don't judge me. There's another penguin up here. Wow, very cool. What is this? Oh, the little monkey! Oh, my finger's bruised though. Wow, that's very cool. Can I put this on my back? What the hell? This is cursed. What have you done? I'm leaving you right there. Don't come near me. And by the way, guys, this also is a late video. Let's not talk about what's happened. Let's just get up there. Okay, so we have to go over there. I'm fine with that. Damn, that was fast. We're here. Well, that was me holding on sugar. Let's go down, boys. Back where we started. Okay. We're gonna go back up there and try that horror thing. Take me, world. Take me, cruel world. Okay, this looks very cool. Let's go in here. I apologize for the bad outro. Basically my Oculus died while I was recording, so I didn't get any of the footage of me playing horror. To make up for it, I will be playing some Gorilla Tag mini games, maybe more Rush, whatever you guys suggest. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.